Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you how can how we can install Brew or Homebrew in Mac OS. So before proceeding, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel first if you have not done yet, because it's really very necessary for me uh, to grow and to proceed with this the work I'm talking. Okay, so now let's move to the installation of Brew in Mac. So as you can see, currently I'm using Macbook with M1 silicon chip, or we can say M1 processor, and I'm using it for 2020 version of MacBook Air. So first you can see I have searched Brew install Mac M1 in the Google, and from here we will go ahead and click on the first URL. And now you can see this Stack Overflow URL is opened now. So you can see here the step. So first step, it is saying that to open the terminal window. So as you can see, I have opened the terminals. You can also open it by searching in the search. Okay, and then just need to copy this command from here and put it uh, in the terminal. Okay, and hit enter, and it will ask for the password of this machine, or you can say this MacBook, and here you just need to press enter or return button, and it will proceed with the installation. And you can see installation has been started here. Okay, so I will also uh, put this URL as well as the command in the description of this video. Okay, so let this installation continue. Okay, once it will be installed, then we can resume our process. Okay, you can see now it is still in the progress of installation its objects. So it's basically downloading from the internet and then installing it in MacBook. So now you can see installation has been completed here. Okay, you can see installation successful. And the next step, what you need to do, you can see here how Homebrew has enabled anonymous aggregate formula something, and here is the next step. Okay, so next step we need to do, we need to copy this. Okay, this echo complete command. Okay, so let me copy this one. It's not copied. Okay, now it's looking copied, and here now I will paste it here, and now I will hit enter, I mean return button. And in the second step, again we need to copy this command here. Okay, it's not, I need to type. It's really looking, yeah, and now I should type because it's not able to, I'm not able to copy it. Okay, so I'm typing this command here. Okay, and yep, it's done. Now I'll hit enter, I mean return button, and all the steps are done. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just type brew help, and you can see I'm getting the uh, like command uses and everything. That means it's installed. Okay, so let me check one more thing, the version, and you can see once I tapped here brew -v, then it is showing me the homebrew version, which is 3.5.2. Okay, and it is also showing me the last commit, which is the latest 26th of June. Okay, 2022. It's pretty much latest update what we have installed here in my machine, in my MacBook. Okay, so yeah, that is all, guys. Like this, you can find, you can install Brew or Homebrew in your MacBook. So that is all, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.